it's your girl Misha Cone. We back with another video, and today we got unboxing Virgo hair from Aliexpress. Y'all already know it's gonna be good. So this is the box it came in. This is how it came in from when I got it out the bag. W lace wig, 100% virgin hair. As y'all can see on the side, it got some, but it's a bob, y'all. I'm tired of long hair. Yeah, switch it up, and it's 12 inches now. I've already opened up the wig, but this is what came in the box. Some more wig caps, because you know your girl needs that. And the wig also came in a net, you know, to secure it or whatever. So this is the wig itself. So this is human hair wig. We don't do, well, synthetic hair, it'll last you for a good 2 weeks, but y'all know how that go. So this is Brazilian straight hair. It's pre-plucked with baby hairs. I don't know if y'all can see if it has baby hairs. I think y'all can see that. It's pre-plucked with baby hairs, and it costs $85, y'all. $85. Now I spent this with my own money. This is not sponsored. I wanted to see how it truly is, cause you know you always watch your favorite YouTuber and they be sponsored by him, so I wanted to see, you know, is it true? So we're gonna see if it's true today, y'all. So does it smell? It does smell a little bit, but it's normal. It's not like you can smell it when you open the bag. It's like you put your nose all up in there. But the hair is really soft. I got this from, once again, Aliexpress. I mostly get most of my wigs from Aliexpress. It's a really good vendor. But this is the Virgo hair company. Now I am dyeing this hair. I'm going to bleach it and I'm going to dye it red. I'm going to watercolor it. So if y'all would like to see that, then stay tuned, cause I'm doing a video on it and I'm going to get the supplies today, y'all. I am going to bleach the lace because I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like black spots. It's not focusing, but I think y'all can see that. It's like black spots, and y'all know don't nobody want that. So I am going to bleach the knots and I'm going to make this red. Now I don't like really light reds. I'm probably going to do like a burgundy, but ain't no telling how it's gonna come out, so we just gonna see. I am deciding on if I do want to make this a blunt cut, but whoever cut this is a genius. Like, it's really pretty, y'all. Like, for real. Like, it's, look at that. Excuse me, look at that. Like, what? This is bomb, y'all. This is bomb. I'm finna go put this on for y'all. Now, as I did notice putting on the wig, it does have, what's those things called? It does have those clips to help secure your wig. Wow, this is really pretty, y'all. It's only doing this because I have to wash it and lay it flat. But it's really cute, y'all. It's pretty short. More short than I usually like to go. And I wonder, do y'all see these baby hairs? I said baby lace. Baby hairs. I don't know if y'all can see them. I'm more with it. There they go. So they do come with baby hairs. Oh yes, honey. It's really soft. It's cute. The smell is not overwhelming as the others. Now, I will do a video on how I customize this wig, but that's gonna be a whole nother video, y'all. Look at that. What? What? Y'all, what? Can't tell me nothing, yo. Look at that. It just comes like what? Like, what, sis? Do y'all see this? I'm sorry. I'm making this too. Do y'all see this, though? Oh, yes. I definitely wanted a bob, and this is what they deserve. If y'all are thinking about buying this wig, bases, cause this is wonderful. This is wonderful. I'm loving it. Tell me what y'all think, yo. Comment below what y'all think. But I'm loving it right now. The shedding, baby, is nothing. No shedding, no tangling just yet. Now I will do a month review on me wearing. Did I just comb my eye? I will do a month review on this wig, so make sure you stay tuned. And I'm gonna cut these. Like, girl, I look crazy. Make sure you stay tuned, and we will do more in depth about this wig. But thank you so much for coming here for my unboxing of this wig. And it's good now, y'all. Well, we're gonna see y'all. We are going to see y'all. So thank you for tuning in to this video. I will see you next time. Call gang out. It's all in my mouth. Call gang. No. But I will see you next time. Call gang. But I will see you next time. Call gang. But I will see you next time. Call gang. I'm done. I'm done, y'all. Bye, y'all. Ow.